Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, people. And yes, we got another freebie for you all to check out. Now, just trying to get you ready for the weekend, especially if you're going to be casually out and about. This is going to be the perfect watch face for you all to download, and it's also going to be geared toward fitness. The name of the watch face is called Ned 100. In the AOD mode, you're going to get the same look, the same info. Looking at this watch face though is nice, very simplistic. Now here's what you're going to get. Now if you look in three sections of the watch, you're going to get your battery percentage over to the left, your steps over to the right. Down at the bottom, you are going to get your heart rate information. Now, dead center is going to be your digital time, nice and bold, very legible. You are going to get your date information right up over that. Up under your digital time, you get the day of the week spelled out, which looks awesome to me. Now, this is not an inactive watch face so far as being able to go into your step info. You're not going to be able to do that, but it gives you all your information that is important right up front. Now, what you can do, you got a status meter here that kind of lets you know where you are with your battery and also with your heart rate information. And over here where you can't see anything, you can customize this too so far as your step info is concerned. So what I could do is I could tap here and I could change the color theme of this to tie into whatever it is that I may have on for that day. And I thought that was pretty cool. Question is, what do you think? All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if you're going to download this one or not, or if it's a leave it right where it's at. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.